In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Wells Fargo Face ID on your mobile device. If you're looking to make your banking experience quicker and more secure, using Face ID is a fantastic option. It's an easy process, so let's walk through it together to make sure your Wells Fargo app is as secure as possible. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is open the Wells Fargo mobile app. You'll find this on your device like any other app, and it typically has the Wells Fargo logo as its icon, making it easy to spot. Once you have it open, direct your attention to the menu option. This is your gateway to adjusting all the features and settings that the app has to offer. Navigating the menu is straightforward, and here is where you'll start customizing your app's security features. Next, within the menu, you want to select Settings and Privacy. This section is where you can control who, how, and when someone, namely you, can access the app. After opening that, the next step is to tap on Security and Sign On. This segment is specifically dedicated to how you sign into the app and manage the security of your financial information. The instructions let you handle various security settings, but don't worry, we're focusing on the Face ID setup, so you don't have to wade through all the options. Now here's where enabling Face ID comes in. Look for the option to enable Face ID in this section. Tapping this should be pretty straightforward. However, it's important to note that this feature will only be available if your device is compatible with a Face ID technology. Most modern smartphones have this feature, but it's always good to double check if your device supports it. Once you tap to enable Face ID, you'll have to follow the on-screen prompts. Your device will guide you through the setup, which usually involves ensuring your face is well lit and positioned correctly in front of the camera. It will scan your features to recognize you each time you log in moving forward. It's crucial to follow the prompts precisely, as this ensures that Face ID will work efficiently and accurately every time. If anything doesn't seem right, the app will usually prompt you to adjust your position to get a better read. And there you have it. You've successfully set up Face ID for your Wells Fargo app. This setup not only enhances your security, but also speeds up the process of accessing your bank details whenever you need them. Using Face ID means you don't have to remember passwords, and it adds a layer of biometric security. If at any point you need to adjust this setting, you can always return to the Security and Sign On menu to make changes. So now with this efficient security feature, you can bank with greater peace of mind and convenience. Thanks for watching, and happy banking!